Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna show to you how to do talking Bitmojis. So first, we need to have an apps like Bitmoji and ChatterKid.
Duck, move.
Okay, so for you to do the talking Bitmoji, I will go to Bitmoji app and then I'll search for back to school. For example, I want to do this. We will just click this and then click save image below. And then in this Bitmoji we have avatar. If you want to do like a personalized, or if you want to personalize your avatar that represents yourself, exit, and then fashion if you want to change the outfit of your avatar. Next to is the keyboard if you want to use it in your iMessage. I use it in iMessage, it's already set up. I don't use Bitmoji in my messenger in Facebook because it has a third-party thing, and once you use it in your Facebook Messenger, I think it's not safe because they will be able to get your data, including your bank accounts and phone numbers and everything. And the merch here is the merchandise if you want to buy some stuff regarding to Bitmojis. So let's go back to stickers. So I have here back to school already, and then I click before the back to school, and if ever you want to add more like this one, and then click the image and click save image. So it is already saved in my album, in my photos. So the next thing to do is the ChatterKid. Open ChatterKid.
Duck, moose.
Welcome to ChatterPix.
Okay, so in this ChatterPix Kids, you have two options, take photo or gallery. So since we downloaded the Bitmoji thing, so we're gonna use the gallery. But before that, I'm gonna show to you some guides or 5 easy steps how to use this. Okay, so it's not only in Bitmojis, any image that you have, or whenever you want to take a photo of a pet or something, where you can do the, or we can make it to talk. Next here, the gallery. I'm gonna click the gallery here. So, and then click the camera below. You can see here, this one, click this, and all photos. And I wanna click the back to school. So once I click the back to school here, click next, and then I think I need to draw the mouth thing. Yes. Sometimes it will take time to edit the mouth thing. I hope this will work. Okay, that's it for the meantime. Anyway, you can edit it later too. And then after that, you are ready to record.
Record in
Three,
3,
two,
2, 1, go!
Hi kids, good morning. Welcome back to school. I'm so excited to meet you all. Hope we're gonna have an amazing school year. See you then. Bye. And then click. Then we have here. If you want to hear it, you can click the green button play below. Hi kids, good morning. Welcome back to school. I'm so excited to meet you all. Hope we're gonna have an amazing school year. See you then. Bye. Okay, so if you're satisfied, you can click next. If not, you can click this recording button. You will be able to record it again. Then click next. And then I will apply filter. I want this kind of filter. Sticker if you want to. The stickers are kind of like limited. And then frame. And then text if you want to include the text, like your name. And then once you're good, click next. If you want to change something again, you can click the trash button here. If not, you can click the save here, the right on the right part. And then exporting to camera roll. Exporting to camera roll, it means it is saving already in your album or in your photo. Welcome back to school. I'm so excited to meet you all. Hope we're gonna have an amazing school year. See you then. Okay, so that's it. It is saved already. So once again, don't forget your Bitmoji app and ChatterKid. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye. See you again.